Okay, one more thing also for the success of the project, the personality of a project manager is very, very important because of the selection of a project manager, right? If the personality is also very important, not only his communication. Why personality of a project manager is important? Because you know that there are different personality. Personality does not mean the look and feel. A lot of people think that personality means wearing a good T-shirt, right? Or no good hairstyle, a good physique. No, that is not meaning of the personality here. The personality means a person should be cultural oriented, he should be emotional oriented, right? He should have a good managerial skills, he also should know how to manage the politics, he should be service oriented, right? He should also look into the society and he should take the decision very systematic, all right? If not all, at least the combinations, right? So he also should be authentic. Authentic means what? Accept others for what and who they are. Very important, right? As a team, as a project manager, they need to accept the other. Then only the people will go and cooperate, right? Say, for example, a person is against my religion. He is an opposite religion. There's nothing called opposite religion. I'm just telling you, okay? I don't want to name X or Y. So people say that no, he is not good. I will not give him a better rating, better job, right? Or I am feminine and no masculine or male people give a lesser rating. If I am the male, female, those are all the things. They are very authentic, right? They also should be courteous. What is courteous? Ability to apply appropriate behavior and ethic. They should also be creative. They should also be cultural oriented, right? So cultural oriented does not mean that you follow your culture. You also measure the sensitivity of the other culture. You also give respect to other culture. You should also manage the emotional. He should be emotional stability is very important. At the same time, you also should be intellectual, right? So political does not mean that no, day-to-day politics I'm talking, not talking, right? Political means we'll say that people dirty politics. So politics means usage of power for the betterment of the people. You even forget the definition, right? Usage of power for the betterment of the people, and he should be service oriented also, right? All those things are called as personality characteristics of a project leader. So I request each and every one of you here, are you one among this? If not, try to improve. These are all the things PMI tells that very important for a project manager. It's not that you come and follow the process and you move away, do some requirements and move away. No. And last but not the least, you also need to give some project governance, right? Project governance means we talked about the multiple phases, right? At the end of every phase, we should have something called a phase gate or kill gate. See that phase gate, governance gate, toll gate, kill point. These are all one among the same. So what we decided in the end of the phase, can we go to the next phase or not? Right? Can we close the first phase or not? All those things are decided in the escalation path. Right? So phase gate review ensures that better project governance. Right? If you have a better project governance, you can control the project, you can execute the project in a better way. So you need to see that what is the success criteria, what is the acceptance criteria, right? You should know how to resolve the issues, you should know good in communications, right? You should know how to make the decisions, right? And see that what is the life cycle approach. That's very important in your approach, right? If you are a predictive model, your role will be different. Iterative, your role will be different. Incremental, your role will be different. Your governance model will be different, right? We need to completely, the project should be aligned with the project governance and organization strategy, right? Process to align internal stakeholder with project process requirements. Very important. You have the people, you have process, right? As a project manager, what I need to do? I need to connect the people with the process. This is called as project governance.